Welcome to HelloSend. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to install and set up HelloSend inside HubSpot. Start by opening the HubSpot marketplace and searching for SMS and WhatsApp by HelloSend. Click on HelloSend, then select Install and confirm permissions by clicking Allow and Install. Open the Contacts section and select a contact. In the right side Apps panel, choose HelloSend DM and click the HelloSend DM button. This will open the HelloSend SMS panel. For verification, enter the OTP sent to your authorized email address. Once the OTP is confirmed, click the Add Channel button and redirected to the HelloSend page to connect your communication channels. SMS and WhatsApp are supported. For example, if you're setting up SMS via Twilio, simply enter your Twilio credentials, authorize the connection, choose your number, and toggle it on. Your SMS channel will now be active. Go to the HelloSend page in HubSpot to start messaging directly through the HelloSend panel. You're ready to engage customers with SMS and WhatsApp inside HubSpot. And incoming and outgoing messages are displayed in the HubSpot activity timeline for complete visibility and tracking. That's it. Thanks for using HelloSend.